Hi, hello, welcome to JaleelBaigM Academy channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to download and install 7-zip software on your PC with Windows 10. Okay. For this, I will go to Google and just type 7-zip download for Windows 10. Okay. You'll get this 7zip.org. I will go to click on downloads, and in downloads it is the latest version, okay, for Windows. As my PC is 64-bit, I will choose to go for 64-bit. If yours is 32, you can go for 32. I will click on download. Okay, it will ask for where to store. The moment I will store it on desktop. Yeah, it is fast and quick. It has finished the download. You can go to the desktop. Okay. It is here. Then to install it, just double click on it. It asks for the destination folder. Keep it the default. If you want to change some other place, you can change it. For now, I will keep it C program files 7-zip. I will just click install. It has completed the installation. Just close it. Okay. To see this, you have to go to this 7-zip. We can use it for zipping the documents, photographs, in order to send a email to your friends as a email in the attachment, or if you got a zipped folder, this can be used to unzip the documents, photos. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to JaleelBaigM Academy channel. Bye for now.